Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to unrepost on TikTok. You can easily unrepost videos on TikTok. So let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok app. After that, simply tap on your profile icon. And then tap on repost icon just right here. That's where we can find all the videos we have reposted. And let's say you want to unrepost a video from here. All you have to do is just tap on the video you want to unrepost. And then tap on the share icon. And simply tap on remove repost. Now you can see the repost has been removed. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.